Hillbilly Pyro again on the train ride here at Kings Island. I missed it. Awesome.
But I'm just saying that she has never been mean to me. Like, she's connected to the train in front of us. There's one in the back of the train, the train behind us. I know that
This is about my speed today. A long time ago, they used to have theatrical shows and stuff along the route.
You'll see the Racing Rapids of Whitewater Canyon. They are currently in the training process, but in a week, next Saturday on Memorial Day, they will be opening up along with Stoke City.
All right, the water ride will be open in a week.
It's really hot out, and I really feel like taking a swim. So I can't wait.
Well, that answers that. Miami Railroad, because most things here are themed after the Miami River that's not far off from here. It actually adjoins the backside of Kings Island's property. They used to have a Cowboys and Indians show here back in the day, and they would have a shootout right in here. I think they had some wild animals at one time. All those stumps is fake, got stuff underneath them. Electrical boxes and stuff for the effects back in the day. Should be a concrete bear or something here in the woods somewhere. I've been coming to this park for over 30 years. Beautiful day though, at least it's not pouring down the rain. Yeah, last night the pyro went wrong here at Kings Island. Some of the salutes broke really low, about midway the Eiffel Tower, about 150 feet.
As you can see, there are some lifeguards. They're doing their training, having a good time. So City will open in a week on May 25th. That's why we will not be stopping.
I don't think many people noticed that something with the fireworks show actually went wrong, but they definitely stopped it right after them salutes broke low, and there wasn't no main finale or nothing. There was cross sets bouncing off a ride, so I was like, oh, I've never seen that before. old Ford over here. I think Ghost Hunters come up here and done a thing about it. There's a lot of legends and supposedly hauntings in this park.
Yes, we do apologize for the smell. A fun little story for you. I found out last night from my other supervisor. Last night,
Skunk.
on one of the last cycles of the night, there was a team of 4 skunks that sprayed the entire train of people. So it does smell a little rough back there, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it. At least the skunks are.
Oh, that's what that smell
So I guess
is.
that was their warning.
A quad skunk fire,
Watch
huh?
out.
4 skunks hosed the train. That's pretty good. You ought to see the skunks here. They live off of the park food and they get gigantic. There's one albino skunk that lives at the park in Virginia and stuff, and I've been feeding him for 10 years. I don't know how long skunks live, but he's been around. But I know how to handle it without bringing them out. Although the ones around here are pretty tame.
Don't look now, but if you look to your left, not your left anymore, it's your right. There's a bear back there. His name's Teddy. He's been back there since 1972, since they've been open. along with the train.
1972, huh?
He doesn't move very much. Oh no, I guess he likes standing there. Here for sure. This is definitely the best part of the train. As we are coming up on the old western town, you look to your left, you see our beautiful garden of stumps. Yes, they are 100% real. They're not hiding anything. I promise.
Garden of Skunks.
If you look to your left still, there's the Mary Rose Inn. There is a visitor in there right now. If you look in the window, you might be able to see him. It's bright green, so it kind of sticks out a little bit.
They should do something with this. It's falling down.
Inside, you will see our green engine number 19, which will not be on the tracks until a week from now when Soak City Whitewater opens. That day, Memorial Day, it's going to be a good time. We got 3 big things coming. Most importantly,
Pretty
the
steam
train.
engines.
Of course.
I wish that was open.
City Train Station. I just want to thank you guys for joining us on this 8 to 10 minute journey. I do want to remind you to please remain seated until I take.
Back in the we go. And that him Kings of the Station train ride. That was Island's train ride. Having a good hillbilly fam. Go out. If you guys are everybody, stay as I be safe.